NetApp has made a series of nudges in several product areas that include new entry-level ASA, All-SA and Array, block storage hardware, the ASA A150 and A250, enhancements to its advanced subscription model that include a ransomware data guarantee and data availability guarantees around 6 nines, or just over 30 seconds, a year maximum downtime. As part of Advance, NetApp now guarantees it will recover data affected by ransomware, though at the time of writing it did not specify precisely the level of potential compensation. NetApp claims to be the first storage supplier to offer payouts in case of ransomware attacks on primary storage. The company said that as long as all NetApp systems are deployed correctly, it will recover customer data affected by ransomware or pay out a penalty fee. Of course, NetApp is confident it won't come to this, and points to its ransomware detection and recovery functionality. This comes in the form of machine learning-based anomaly detection that spots unusual patterns involving data encryption as well as anomalous user activity.